All right, so this is the exterior of the home. Just so you know, we have that. That needs to probably be repaired. Have a few trees that I would probably recommend that needs to be removed. Here's the backyard. This is the back of the home. This is the condensing unit. As you can see, the home is very solid. As far as the bricks, very solid. Ooh, sorry. And then also with the roof was replaced in 2012. So the roof is looking pretty good. The gutters, these back ones look like you might need a little work there, but overall, decent. May want to consider moving these two trees that's right up against the home. And as you can see, the exterior, pretty solid. This home does have two garages. One is off of the basement, and this is garage number 1. The garage does work, so we'll show that. As you can see, it does have some trees here on the lot. These right here, you just want to make sure you probably kill some of these roots. See the tree roots. And then this right here is going into the front door. All right, we'll enter the house. This is the front door. Coming in, as you come into it, as you can see, there is wallpaper here. As far as the floors, these are the floors. They have laminate floors. We'll first head to the bedrooms. One of the things is that the floors do have like 3 or 4 different floors in the home. So starting here is bedroom number 1, which everything is functional. Toilet flushes. No leak showers. Works. Water pressure a little low, but it works. There's the ceiling. All right, and we'll go into this right here is your master bedroom. Look at the ceiling in the bedroom. Looks like you have a closet here. A little walk-in closet there. And then this is the master bathroom. And as you can see, everything does work. Toilet flushes. And we have a shower that also is functioning. All right, and then there's your cabinets. So this